Good day, everyone, and welcome to FXDD live trading. It's May 21st. My name is Nenad. Before we start, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for all investors. And have in mind that everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Sign up on these web addresses for more live educational and trading videos. Okay, now let's start. And let's do a quick sound check. I think that everything is fine. Let's do a quick sound check. Okay. So first of all, this is the euro-dollar trade that we are running. And have in mind that euro-dollar trade was initiated with the London Open module that I am trading here with my account. Now, the thing is, we had a break of low, and the price went down. Now it's struggling to go down because of the GBP dollar, guys. You need to know when pairs are in positive correlation, like GBP dollar and euro dollar. When GBP is going up, usually it will pull the dollar. It will pull the euro dollar itself to the upside. So this is the reason why we see euro dollar going up, because of this spike on the GBP dollar. You can see it here on 15-minute time frame, a big spike. Now, of course, according to Camarilla MACD MTF, this is still bearish. So we are still going down. Of course, stop loss hasn't been hit. You can see it here. But the price is struggling to break this daily L5. Of course, if the euro dollar is really bearish, then it will break below the weekly L3, or at least come to L3, retest it, and go up. But nevertheless, we are in a trade. Last 6 trades that we had in last 3-4 days have been positive. You can see it here on the account. It's going up in a nice direction. And of course, I'm still looking to trade the 1 hour time frame today, or let's say the GBP dollar. If the price goes a little bit to the upside and then rejects, I might trade also to the short side the GBP dollar. But let's see. Other pairs are also in a retracement mode. We don't see a clear direction, like a pullback that is needed, guys. If you want to go into the trade, you really need to have a pullback before you actually press the trigger. Without a pullback, trend trades simply won't be positive, guys. So you want to wait a pullback when price, like here, you see when price is going down, you wait for a pullback and then sell the rally. When price is going up, you wait for the pullback and buy the dip. That is the basics of trading the trend. Guys, if you have any questions regarding any pairs, go ahead and ask me. I will go and roll, for example, the GBPN. Actually, if this candle closes as a bearish candle here, we might see a short trade. But we need to see a bearish formation. This is bullish Marubozu candle. And it's okay, because now you see this is inverted head and shoulders. Here, this is here you see a trend line, okay? And this has already been played out. So if you see a bearish candle formation, we might see a signal to go short. So you need to wait for a bearish candle formation, not blindly enter the trade. GBP dollar also, it's going up. If we see a bearish candle formation here, it's a signal to go short. Dollar CAD. This is the dollar CAD. You see, I would like to go short. Of course, no, we do not buy the dollar CAD, guys. You see this middle Bollinger Band line. It's going down. It could go up because this is ranging market. I already did the analysis today. It's the ranging market. But I would avoid going up now, because on Camarilla MACD, this is clearly inclined now to the bearish side. So I would wait for a rally, then sell it. Okay? I don't know. If it goes up, it's good, but still I'm not making any counter trend trades, because last week I haven't had any success with counter trend trades, and I stopped doing that. I don't want to get my account into a negative territory just because I'm not patient and I want to take trades no matter the cost. I am a professional trader, and I always wait for a setup before entering the trade. If I don't see a setup, simply I don't enter. It's very clear. Counter trends I don't do it. Now, for at least the next 3 months, I won't do any counter trend trades until I test my counter trend method on live account. If it's positive, then I will start doing it live. Until then, guys, no, of course. Egil's dollar yen. Well, dollar yen, I think I was watching the pair today, and I think it is, yeah, it needs to get here around 109.80, 90, and then if it makes a bullish reversal, of course, if you trade Camarilla MACD, you will get automatic signal. If not, then watch for bullish reversal patterns and eventual bounce from this spot. Again, for Camarilla MACD traders, it's easier because signals are semi-automated. For all of you who don't have Camarilla MACD, well, watch for reversal patterns here where I'm saying 109, 90, 80. Well, that is the level you should be watching for. Okay, let me see. Currency slope strength is telling me that euro is still stronger than dollar on the daily time frame, but it's weaker here on lower time frames. So yeah, it could go down because it's very close. Euro dollar are very, very close. Yeah, Japanese yen is the strongest, so we could also watch for some. Yeah, for me it's easy. I mean, I just scan the pairs, wait for a pullback, and then enter the market. Guys, you see here, again, this needs to close as a bearish candle formation. Okay, let me just redo something. Okay, I want to see it like this. Australian dollar also, you see a nice signal to go short here. And the price now, it's in a pullback mode, probably. Dollar yen, again, pretty much bullish. This is bullish price action, but it needs to get here at least before I enter the market. It's too much to the upside. I'm not buying the resistance. You see, it's already a daily H5 at ATR top. And you see the ATR here. It's already full, so I'm not buying the resistance. I would wait for a drop and then buy it. Only that. Yeah, but it's bullish, definitely. These are signals. This is a signal for entry. Euro dollar, still bearish. The price is trying to go up. So if my stop loss is hit and the price spikes here in this zone, I would be waiting for another setup, and I would enter with 2% of risk for this trade because to me, 1170 to 1190 is bearish, especially because this is weekly H3 and ATR top. The price will drop at least 20 pips, in my opinion, at least, or even 30, 40 pips retesting. This is important level, daily L3. If it goes up, this should drop again, retesting this level. If it continues down, then it should break 40 and get to 27. So tomorrow is FOMC decision. You need to be very careful, guys, and do not take unnecessary risks. Wait for the price to come to you. Be patient. It's important. Always, guys, be professional. Do not chase the price. Rather wait for the price to come to you. I always say the market is like a shadow. If you try to run after it, you will not catch it. But if you stand still, the shadow will come to you. Market will come to you. Embrace it. This account has 6 months record on my FX book, and it's positive. So you see, you can do it, but you need to religiously follow the rules. Money management, that is crucial in trading. A good method and a good money management will give you results, guys. You will not be rich overnight, but you can build a long-term success with Forex trading. You just need to be very, very, very clear in your mind regarding money management. And you need to have a good trading method. New Zealand dollar, same thing. It needs to go here before I short it. Or at least I need to see this dot. But to see the dot, it's been coded into my 3.2 indicator that is a core part of Camarilla MACD MTF. It needs to show the dot. Only then it can actually cross and drop further. Without it, guys, we do not trade. Euro Australian dollar. Euro is obviously stronger than Australian dollar. So I would wait for a pullback and then buy the dip in the euro dollar, euro Australian dollar. Dollar CAD. Already covered it, guys. But if it gets here, 34.40 to 34.50, watch for reversal patterns. At this point, yeah, Euro GBP setting up for a buy trade. Let's see Euro GBP if we get a buy signal, we might go for a buy trade. GBP New Zealand waiting for a possible short. It needs also to make a reversal bearish pattern, and then we can short it. This is a pullback. You see this trend line, guys? You have a trend line here. Okay, clear trend lines here. So this is still bearish price action, guys. Okay. So you want to see a reversal candle in the zone and then pull the trigger to the downside. Mark these levels. These are Camarilla targets. Important. All of these are important with ATR projection low 94.66. Do you have any other questions, guys? If you have, I would be glad to answer. So I gave you my trading ideas. At this spot, only euro dollar trade, live, FXDD, account, trading, connected to my fixed book. Everything is clear. Everything is transparent. 11.42 and 47 have been the entries. Going with 0.60 lot, small stop on $11,910 account, TP 1120. I will protect, of course, at least 15 pips if it starts dropping. But in order to drop, I would like to see GBP down, because then it will pull the euro dollar, because you see the currency strength here, guys. It will pull euro dollar down. This is correlation part of the game. Trading correlation is important. You need to understand the correlation principles between Forex, commodities, and indices. That is why I also run a triple monitor setup at this point, plus my laptop. So you need to have a nice trading room, calm, when no one is disturbing you. You need to be cut off from the rest of your world. When you trade, forget about disturbances. You need to be focused. This is money. This is what we do. So it's very sensitive. Egils, these are the settings regarding these arrows. This is the new indicator, guys. This is what will be announced on this week. It's 3.2. It's the new indicator, and I will make the video on during the weekend, and I will share with you. So this is the new indicator. I mean, upgraded indicator. We added the filter for ranging market. So here we see re-entries in the form of dots, and we added ranging market. So this system is even more accurate than it was. 6 out of last 6 MTF trades have been winners. So I am constantly doing it, and I will keep doing that. Now the questions. Gold, XAU, USD. Waiting for a pullback. This is the zone where we enter the market. In between 1278.80. This is the zone. If it gets there, bang. We wait for a reversal pattern, or, well, if you trade Camarilla MACD and arrow. So I would sell on rally. Australian dollar, New Zealand. Yeah, someone asked me about Huawei and what is my opinion regarding US and Chinese trade war. Guys, this Huawei-US situation has nothing to do with tariff and trade wars. In my opinion, this is, of course, the race in technological advancement. US is protecting their own property, but also don't forget that the major partner of the US is actually South Korea. South Korea in 80s and 90s were very poor rice farmers, and US invested a lot of money in the South Korea. So they are protecting their main business partner, that is Samsung, guys. You need to understand that this is nothing to have with China versus US trade wars. This is purely business. So in my opinion, Samsung is protected by the US government, of course, and this is normal because they have invested a lot of money in South Korea during 80s and 90s. Now see where South Korea is one of the richest and most prosperous countries. So that is what I think regarding this Samsung, regarding Huawei and US problem. I mean, this is business, guys. So for me, it's nothing that I'm surprised. I'm not surprised at all. The question, Australian dollar, New Zealand. Yeah, the Australian dollar, New Zealand. Let me find it here. It should be there. I'm trying to see it. I don't know why I don't have it here. I'm sure that it has been on my chart. Yeah, this is it. Australian dollar, New Zealand. It's a ranging market. Flat Bollinger Band, nothing to be traded, ranging market. I don't see any clear trend here. Matt, can you use MTF on indices? Yeah, I have only tested, although I don't trade it. DEX 30. Let me show you. And now you can do it on DEX 30. This is it. See how it performs. Watch this. Up, up, up. You always watch dots, arrows, diamonds related to middle Bollinger Band line. Down, okay, down. And now it's time to buy. So we are waiting for the arrow. Watch this. Buy, buy, buy. You see, it works. But I'm not trading it. I don't know. I've been really accustomed to Forex market. I like it a lot. I'm in love with this market, guys, in this business. Dedicated 101% to this. And you will, I promise you guys, as long as I'm, of course, capable to do this, and I will be hopefully capable next 20, 30 years to do this, guys. Well, you can expect always the best from me because I am totally dedicated to this market. So you need to know that. Yeah, I mean, you never know, right? But you see, let's say, Sylvester Stallone, see the guy, 73 years, 41 year older than me. So he's still powerful and strong. Why not? Next 30 years, guys. Okay. Australian dollar, New Zealand. Australian dollar, New Zealand. Let's see. Okay. Australian dollar, New Zealand. I don't see anything here, guys. Really. It's like it's trying to go up, and I think it will go up. It only now started to go up. Let me just check one more thing, guys. You see, it could go up. I'm checking this. Maybe we could make a long trade here. It's a bit tricky, but let me check one more thing. I'm watching also my other monitor. I will tell you, watching some correlations here. Yeah. Nothing yet. I would actually wait for the signal from my Camarilla MACD MTF in order to trade this. Nothing yet, guys. Nothing as of yet. Really. But all of this, what I actually said, guys, well, Australian dollar, New Zealand, maybe this is a buy, but I would be careful. This looks like it could go, but I don't have a clear signal here, guys, on my MTF. It could be a buy because it's forming T89 here, and this is T89. But I don't have a signal, clear signal here, a diamond. That is why I'm a little bit cautious. But euro dollar, guys, you see, you could have joined my euro dollar with only 15 pips stop loss if you are trading now with me, guys. This is it, guys. You see, it's going down. I hope that it will go down because the GBP dollar here is trying to now go down. It's at resistance. Maybe we can also trade this GBP dollar to the downside after the top of the hour. Okay, guys, I think this is it. I covered most of what I had planned to. I answered all of your questions. This webinar is being recorded. It will be uploaded. Any comments, any questions, guys, feel free to ask. I will always reply. I'm watching my videos also on FXDD channel, so I am replying if I see that it's necessary. Thank you for listening. If you want to enter this trade, join me, guys. Trade with FXDD. You see, $10,000 account, now it's close to 12,000. Slowly building it up, but this is trading, professional trading, low risk trading. Thank you for listening, guys. I wish you a great trading day. I don't have any questions to answer. I'm watching it, but everything is clear, I guess. Have a great trading week and talk to you soon, guys. Cheers. Trade safe.